YouTube, JW. Taking a look at Schrade's new 2015 catalog, Taylor brands, and I picked out some items out of here that I wanted to take a look at, and they were kind enough to send it to me. And the first one is, here it is in the catalog. It's the ST1NB multi-tool. Should check out their new catalog. Really nice full color. This is probably maybe the first multi-tool I've ever looked at on this channel. When I was looking through it, I kind of wanted to get some diversity in what I was going to take a look at. So we'll do this first. It is made in by some Chinamen. This one looks a little bit different than the one in the catalog. It says black nylon sheath, but this one's actually like a tan. Nice rugged sheath. Has that Schrade Tough, kind of older looking Schrade Tough logo. Velcro closure. Fits in there nice and snug. Not a bad sheath. The one in the book, this was green. This one is yellow, which I guess it's no big deal to me, but it just, you know. This weighs 8.1 ounces. And it's a Teflon coated stainless steel. A 400 stainless. Retails for about 20 bucks. I don't have a lot of multi-tools, so I thought maybe it was time to look at one. It's a non-spring loaded plier, but yeah, really solid feeling piece. The construction of it is feels real hefty and solid. As far as what we've got here inside, got looks like a bottle opener. Let's open them all up. You can see what we've got, and then I'll list them off because we'll be here all day. Scissors, saw. It's the other side. We've got let's see here. Got needle nose pliers, regular pliers, vise, wire cutter, cap lifter, can opener, locking Phillips screwdriver, scribe, awl, leather bore, locking dual edge knife blade, metal file, wood file, heavy duty scissors, locking heavy-duty saw blade, scraping blade, wire strippers, locking large flat screwdriver, fine flathead screwdriver, and a lanyard attachment. The steel is a 2CR13 stainless, which is like a 400 series. The overall length is 7.0, 17.8 centimeters. 4.8 closed, 12.2 centimeters. Like I said, the weight is 8.1. And the item number on this is ST1NB. They have a lineup of kind of other stuff here in their book. Little pry bars, and really, I mean, you can look how thick this is. They've got a lot of stuff to offer. Blades, okay. Definitely a lot of handy looking stuff in here. Everything works real smooth. It's all oiled. pretty aggressive saw. Got a different feel to it than a Victorinox scissors, which I'm more accustomed to. But yeah, Schrade Tough, good looking set. Fold it back up. Slip it down side. Tuck it away, nice little compact packaging. Pretty wide bell sheet, looks like it would accommodate about a 2-inch belt if need be. Yeah, retail on this, I mean, you can get this for about $20. I've seen it all over the place. Walmart, I mean, they were out of stock on it, but there's a lot of places you can get this online, and for 20 bucks, I'd have to say, it looks pretty good to me. I don't have a lot of experience, and I'm no expert on multi-tools, but if you're looking for a budget priced quality multi-tool to put on your belt, so when you're whatever you're doing, you kind of put that in there any way you want. Check it out. It's the ST1NB from Schrade. I like it. I appreciate you guys watching. Follow me on G+ and Instagram, and I'll catch you on the next one.